Nag-get yun na?
This time, babe. Kasi nga, ang dami Ramadan, mga Muslim holidays.
Pink pa ako na ano, hindi na ako dadaling ko yung tubigan ko. Wala naman laman yung tubigan.
Oh, diba? Hindi ko naman.
Ito nga ako. Tingnan mo yun.
Circle yun.
Hindi dito yung entrance nito.
And much the chocolate.
Dito tayo. Ayan. 20. Tapos kita tayo sa loob. Decision ka na.
Magtanong kaya tayo sa welcome to bakery.
Ay, akala mo ito yung pinto. Ako din eh. Baka mali yung pinupuntahan natin. Uy, walang pila. Yay!
Magkaka-carbs tayo bago. Sige.
Pecan na. Pecan salted caramel.
Sige, yun naman sa akin. Tsaka ice. Makakatulog ba ako pag nag-matcha ako?
Spanish.
Okay.
Ilan pa?
Ay, just gawa mo yan.
Parang ano nila yung mag
Ay, Kuya, matcha po yung sa akin.
Ay, matcha po kasi na ulit natin.
Next.
Basta ang nuggets na kakain na sila kasi ano. Ganito ka.
Thank you. Thank you. Ayan na pala, oh. Kanta na agad ako. Hot cover. Ay. Ba't yun lang?
Alam mo ba na-trauma na ako lagi every time nagpo-constant ako na ina-ask.
Stop, pakuha na ito. Hindi ko ang malapit yan.
Uy, umakting ka. Ay? Ay. Di ba ikakanta niya?
May red? Nagre-red? Ito na naman tayo. The Burn. Yan, dyan daw tayo sa The Burn.
Medyo pa na lang. Sabi niya,
Saan mo ilalagay yung gamit niyo? Ay, ganun. Ako 5. Wait. Ayoko na. Dapat ba na? Dapat hindi na. Pwede ba ito bitbitin ko na phone ko naman na dito?
Because I didn't want you guys to want some exercises. So yeah, you can take it. Put a little stretch. Okay, just opportunity to start to lead your hips and down. Breathe. And in. Also to keep the hands as they are or interlace your fingers behind. Very good. Then you go here, forward two. Good. 2 more. Last one. Your hands on the guard. We're gonna angle ourselves like a plan. So ensure you are diagonal, arms and straight. So to get your in, squeeze your bum. Coming into way down, bend your arms. And lean and roll forward, look at my arms, they're bent. My arms are very bent. From here, I look at my toes. Anything, only my upper body. I'm feeling the biceps again. I go forward, down, middle, down, middle. Alright, standing, go down, and up, here, down. Okay, almost there, you got it, keep practicing. Let's do 8, correct? And here, then take one moment, breathing in and down, tap. Exhale. Alright, slowly, slowly, going higher, higher ladies. Yes. Keep going, keep going. And that beautiful face, that beautiful girl looking the world. Say to yourself, I got this. I can do hard things. So let's do the other side. Inhale and go all the way up. Back. Moving forward, making sure your standing legs bend, everybody. Standing leg bend. Making hands on your waist, making hands on the bar. Take. We have only 5 minutes and we're done. Can we do this? 5 minutes and we stretch. Deal. Deal. That's it. Grab your strap. We're going into abs. Open those feet to the edges of the mat, making sure that we're free. Okay, let's go with that. Making myself just take it to your feet back. Knees back.
Oo, wala siyang pakit. Kung nakakasunod ka. Ito yung mga ganyan nakakasunod ka. Yung pawis, grabe talaga. Pero wala nang pambalik. Sorry guys, nakang pawis na ako.
Dito tuloy ito kung burn, may abs na.